So I'm Joe, and I'm one of the co-founders here at Macroshack. Macroshack is a macro-conscious takeaway with informed choices. Here we offer high-protein burgers, burritos, and protein milkshakes. We have high-calorie options and low-calorie options, and there's something for everyone. The concept of macros came around when I was quite young, and I was sat in a restaurant one day, and I was eating an Indian takeaway, and I was thinking, I don't really know what's in it. I don't know the calories in it. I don't know the protein. And I was always involved in the gym and traveling around a lot for work. So it came to mind that I was like, well, why can't we do this? Not meal prep style, but actually like a takeaway that's indulgent food, but offers all the macros on the meal. And then I posed the idea to my housemates, and then we kind of transformed that idea together then. So I studied business management on the general pathway, and I think it really helped me to start this business because it was all aspects of business, from like supply chain management, operations, marketing, accounting. And it was after one of the particular courses with Jafar at university, the accounting course, that really just gave me the knowledge to understand how to start the business. We'd already began in our house with very little budget, as we were all students. And I was approached then by Kelly Jordan, and she said, we've got the Santander Big Pitch Award. So we pitched the idea, and it came across very, very well. And then they offered us a £3,000 investment. And then Kelly always offered advice and mentorship and just how we can kind of scale things. So I think being with the enterprise team just really helped us to get off our feet and then get the business moving forward. Our big dream is, well, at the moment, it's just to go across Wales and see if we can get multiple stores. We'd love to have brand sponsorships, maybe even get into stadiums. But we got to walk before we can run, and we want to build something solid in Swansea and see where we go then.